allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right.
Yeah, so before we get started today, we have a few quick reminders as always.
Of course, Rams, we're going to start today off like usually. We are going to start off with our mask mandate. And of course, don't wear masks like this, and especially not like this throughout campus. We want school to remain in session and not go back to online, right?
Right.
All right.
That would be awful.
Second of all those arrows in the hallways and stairways, everywhere you see them, make sure you follow them and keep school and everybody safe in session as well.
Yep. And make sure to not go off campus during lunch because, well, we got to keep things safe and secure.
Yeah.
So don't drive off and get food. Just stay here, eat your food here. If you don't have food, then, well, that's your problem.
Yeah.
Just stay here, no off-campus lunch. And when you are eating lunch, make sure to scan the QR code wherever you are eating so we know if you were exposed to COVID.
It's for the safety of all Rams, so make sure you get to it.
Exactly. Anyways, let's get to today's announcements.
Of course. RHS Dance Team Tryouts. November 8th through 11th. Must be cleared to try out. Pick up packet at the bookkeeping office.
Our new TSA officers are President Patricia D., Vice President Andreas H., Secretary Joyce A., Treasurer Abby A., and the volunteer coordinator is Kelly L. Congratulations. The next meeting is November 3rd.
RHS Daffodil Princess Selection Night, Thursday, November 4th, 2021 at 7 p.m. at the RHS PAC. Mask and social distancing is required. Keep that in mind.
Yep. Virtual Christian College Fairs are November 1st through 19th, 2021. Explore the comprehensive virtual college booths. Virtual college booths will be available 24/7, November 1st through 19th. Interact live with reps from each college. Make sure to save these dates. Tuesday, November 2nd, 10th, and 18th, all from 4 to 7 p.m. Make sure to sign up at virtualchristiancollegefairs.com. Registration is now open.
Get to it, Rams. All right, Rambassador meeting. Monday, November 1st at 2:45 p.m. Meeting is at the outside space between the Commons and the PAC. Tables undercover. Officers will share volunteer opportunity information for November. There will be snacks, so see you there, Rams.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's hear a word from our sponsors.
Jack Link's Beef Jerky presents Messin' with Stoltenberg.
That's what you are?
Hey, what are you doing?
Jack Link's Jerky. Feed your wild side. Jack Link's Beef.
Is it me? Is it you? Who knows? Guess who?
Hello Rams, hopefully y'all are having a great day. Today I am here to introduce you all to a new show. So this is going to be airing probably twice a week, and it's going to allow you guys to get way more involved with Ram TV instead of just having to sit there and watch it. So what the show is we're going to show just a random photo on screen. This photo is probably going to be of someone who is in high school or maybe a baby photo. But what's different about this photo is that it's actually of a staff member here at Rogers. Now, what's going to happen is it'll be up there for a bit, and then a QR code is going to show up that we're going to have you guys pull out your phones and scan. QR code is going to take you to a forms link, and you're going to be able to guess on who that staff member is. If you get it right, you'll get entered into a drawing to win a prize that will be delivered to you the next day during your 5th period class. So just to reiterate, we're going to show a photo on screen of a staff member here at Rogers, and it is up to you guys to try and guess it. by pulling out your phones and scanning the QR code that will be shown on screen. And then, once you pull up the code and open the forms link, you simply input your guess, the rest of the information at once, and click submit. It's that easy. Now, there is no benefit to being first, so take your time, as long as you need, input your guess, and hopefully you not only guess correctly, but you win the drawing the next day, and you'll get your prize delivered to you. Thank you, Rams. Hopefully you'll enjoy the segment, and have a good day.
So, does that happen to Stolt come after you if you steal from anywhere?
I guess only if you do from the Ranch Shack.
So, I'm safe?
I believe so.
Oh, okay, anyways, let's get back to those announcements.
Let's get it, Rams.
Wrestling meeting Wednesday, October 27th at 3 p.m. in the Commons. Do you weigh 103 pounds? Do your weight 220 pounds? The wrestling team needs you. Do you want to try another sport? We invite beginners and veterans to participate in wrestling.
Sounds fun.
It does.
So again, with the Tahitian deal, 2 Red Bull Tahitians for $7 and 2 Monster Tahitians for $5. Get yours today at the Ram Shack. Rams, it's just waiting there.
Yep, it's really good too. Anyways, are you interested in a job? Then that's good news for you. The Career Center has some new postings, or not new, but they have some postings. They are also on the bulletin board in the hallway outside of the Career Center. Super Jump Party Zone is now hiring, and so is Auntie Ons.
So what is happening today, Wednesday the 27th? There's a volleyball home at Sumner at 7:15 today, and a girls' soccer home against GK at 7:30. Go Rams!
Go Rams! Anyways, with those announcements all wrapped up, I suppose we should probably
just fly out of here?
Yeah, let's just close it out, I guess. Anyways, see you tomorrow, Rams!
See you tomorrow.